Hi, we just invented a new type of connector. It's going to completely change how installers terminate coax. I'm David, one of the product guys from Lacey's. If you've ever installed coax during hot weather, you know. Trapping quad shield coax in a hot roof is like trying to roll a spicy burrito while trapped in a sauna. There are 4 layers of foil and braid. The braid is sharp and the foil gets in the way. Normally it takes about 30 seconds to fold back the braid. We reckon there's an easier way. Introducing the Arecal Push On F connector, a toolless connector where you don't have to fold back the braid. Now for the product demonstration. Strip the coax with your stripping tool, rotating the tool around the coax a few times. Grip and pull. The coax should be stripped and ready. Line up the plastic guide with the center conductor and push. It only takes 2 seconds. Check visually you've made a clean install and check for shorts. The dielectric should be flush. Now you have an extremely strong and reliable connection that can resist 20 kilos of pull force. Arecal push-on connectors are available in bags of 50 for professional installers and bags of 10 for guys doing the odd job. Contact your distributor.